Hello, my name is Norm Laffinger from Denray Tire. I'd like to thank Tony and the gang from Alliance Underground for trusting us and providing new tires and service under Backhoe today. Today we are installing two brand new TL24 12-ply Prime-X Razorbacks on this unit. Very good for backhoe industry, very dependable, rugged.
Lubing up this second bead to help it slide over top of the wheel better. Then we'll put his final bead on. And just like that, tire is mounted. Next step, he's got to put both assemblies back on the unit, tighten down the fasteners, and then set final pressures. Properly inspecting the studs and nuts ensures safe operation of the vehicle going forward. Tighten them down in the star pattern to ensure that it properly seats.
I'd like to thank Tony from Alliance Underground for trusting us in his business and installing tires. In the future, if you guys ever need water, sewer, residential, commercial, or underground construction, or snow removal in the wintertime, please call the gang at Alliance Underground. Ask for Tony.